Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jem's Wrestling Channel. The man. Welcome to Jem's Wrestling Channel, everybody. Today we have an unboxing of RVD, Hulk Hogan. I got an extra RVD, that's the same on the card, and Lance Archer. Check them out, laddies. Alright. Comes with the chair, breakaway chair. That's in the background. Hey, he's got the extra fist. You can put the microphone in there, whatever you want. You can make it look like he's punching, throwing a punch. And then he's got the thumbs, of course, his signature. And we got this chair. Did you see the cracks in it? Break it away. When they make a chair and he can't sit on it, I guess it's just for destruction. Okay. Let's see. At least you can do some of the split. That's pretty cool. We need this ultimate figure. They should make an ultimate edition of him. Maybe we'll get that. That'll be cool. And please make it with like an ECW belt or some type of belt that he had. For now, I'm going to give him this belt. The hardcore. He is looking good. I actually met him at one of the shows, a very friendly guy, cool guy. He also signed one of his figures that I had. And we talked, and it was very cool. Very cool guy. So now we go over to Hulk Hogan. Let's see what he got. He's got the rubber shirt. And he comes with that belt. That's pretty cool. Never had that. And the sunglasses. Alright, let's get him open. And there we go. Let's look at this figure. Love the colors. Pretty cool. I don't know. His head feels a little loose there. Let's get his shirt on and stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's right. I'd have to take his head off to get the shirt on. I'm guessing. Let's see. Alright, finally got his shirt on. After the struggle, I had to take his head off to put that shirt on. Rubbery thing. And yes, his bandana comes off. as well. Alright, so he's all dressed up now. So he's got those open hands. And then he's got these closed fists. And then these grab the mic or whatever he wants to grab. There we have it. He's going to get his wing belt. He gets that. The real American. I got this extra one in case I meet RVD again at a show, get him to sign it. We got Lance Archer here for the AEW figure. Pretty big figure. These two I'm not going to open. And that's it, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Ciao.